All right, here's what I need. See our logo here? We need that, but better. Not the actual picture like that, but our actual logo that you guys see over here, the little one. We need that again, but better. I did a pretty bad job on my phone doing it. If you guys could do it more better and make it look even cooler, a little bit more detailed, just a little bit better color scheme, that would be amazing. And whoever does it and makes it more better, we got a little bit something for you that we think's pretty cool. We got a special something after you get it made. We can get some stuff made. We got something special for you. So whoever can make it a little bit better, a little bit cooler, that'd be amazing. Thank you.